Hello, everybody. Welcome back to How to Love. My name is Jason, and as you can see, working on the cat converter here. I'm in the midst of changing it. I just got to do the bottom end right down there and take these off. I think I have to take these off. I don't think I have to take that cover off. I can leave that on there, I think, but yeah, I don't think I have to take that cover off. I mean, probably should, but I don't really need a cover. Maybe the top one. I don't really need a cover, but anyway, yeah, I might just go ahead and take that cover off. I'll take it off. Uh, I'll just keep you up on the update. So what I did was just took the cover off, took these things off. It was pretty easy. I did it by hand. The hardest part was getting this clip off from the bottom O2 sensor. That was the hardest part. Because I think it's like broke or something. No, it's not broke. It's just hard. What you can see is like hard to bend. But yeah, took this off. This guy here, there, and it's gonna finish it. Just keeping you updated on the just replacement of the OEM parts. So I gotta get a battery holder for this guy. So yeah. Uh, yeah, it's got to the bottom. I think it's to the exhaust, and I'm gonna take that out. I think there's like a bracket, like right here. Right here, I think there's like a bracket. But I think I mean, if you go online and look up, you can see what I mean. And then I gotta take this off and I pull it out. So just keeping you updated on the build, or not on build, just like replacement build. So check the oil. I think it's pretty full. I just replaced it not too long ago. Bought it, so. And I can't drive it today, obviously, but I am going to work and then I'll finish it. So, yeah, that's one of the things starting with. Just trying to fix the air, fuel. Uh, spark plugs, air, fuel. I think I have a fuel pump. Try to replace that soon, but working on the air fuel issues. Um, I think I might need a new throwout bearing. I think it's giving. Not sure, but I will definitely work on the clutch situation. Take all this out. It's a pain, but such a small engine bay. It's just the hardest thing. So, yeah, we'll make progress little by little. All right, and guys have a great weekend. Never give up and keep trying. Maybe uh work on I think I have to refill or recharge the air. So not now because it's the winter time, but it gets hotter in Tempe, Arizona. Right now it's in season, so I don't really need air conditioning. But when I need air conditioning towards the summer, I'll have to recharge that or just replace the whole uh, air condition or air compressor down there. So this whole engine needs to be replaced. Well, I mean, parts wise. Yeah, I'd like to get it rebuilt and go that back down to 0 miles. You know, new pistons. You know, get a surface. So yeah, I mean, I like the car. I love the build. It's just, here comes the fire truck. Well, here comes the fire truck. So I'll end it here. All right. Have a good night. Good weekend.